How to share videos through Google Drive. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Google Drive and then upload the video that you want to share. Post it like this. And now all you have to do is tap on the three dot of the video and then you will see an option of share. Tap on it. All you have to do is add people and manage their access and send them. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.